Hi everyone, welcome to my channel or my blog, which is probably where you're going to end up seeing this video. My name is Lauren. I am the face behind the website Delicious Little Bites, where I share mostly recipes and other food related content. Don't make too many videos of my cell phone camera because I am really busy. I don't have a whole team behind me. I have a few people helping, but I spend the majority of my time making the recipes, photographing the recipes, and writing the blog post. But I thought it would be kind of fun to do an unboxing video because they're kind of quick and easy. And so I'm going to be showing you what's inside of my Keto Krate. This is the August 2021 Keto Krate. It is still available. So if you decide that you do want to purchase this, I'm going to put a code down here you can use to save $10 if you're a new customer. And I'll also leave the link in the notes below. So Keto Krate is a monthly subscription box that sends keto snacks or low carb snacks. I believe everything inside the box is also gluten-free, and there's certain ingredients that they avoid too, like sugar substitutes that actually cause more problems than good. But there is things like stevia and what are the other ones? Erythritol and things like that in these products. So it's mostly snacks. It's almost entirely snacks, which is really great because I know when I'm following a low carb diet that snacking kind of gets the best of me sometimes, and that's where I tend to slip up because I have kids and all their snacks in the cabinets are really tempting. So currently I'm not following a keto diet. I do a little bit better when I give myself a little grace, and I find that I do better if I do a low carb, still under 100 grams a day, and then low calorie. But this is a great way for me to have snacks that don't have a lot of sugar in them or any sugar in them, and don't have a lot of carbs in them. So let's get into it. The first thing that's always on the top of the box is a little insert card, and it's always like a little theme. So, and then there's recipes that use some of the products in the box, and then there's your code for the members only keto shop that they have on their website, information, success stories, things like that. So it's kind of a little bit helpful little pamphlet. And then this month there's also a little card with a code for one of the products in the box. Sometimes you get that, sometimes you don't. Okay, so let's get into it. And I have not tried anything in this box yet. I have seen what's in it because I do get things a little bit early from Keto Krate. But these are all new to me products, not new to me brands, and I've tried other products from the same brands, but all new products. So the first one are these CATALINA Crunch Keto Vanilla or Chocolate Vanilla Keto Sandwich Cookies. So they're chocolate sandwich cookies with vanilla cream in the middle. All the nutritional information is here. And then I also have already written a full blog post. I'll link that below. So if there's anything that you want to know more about after I try it, I will update that as I try things. So everything right now I have not tried yet. And I'm not gonna just be eating on camera in front of you and wasting your time while I eat stuff. But I can tell you that I have eating cereal. I've had cereal from this brand. Their cereal is really good. So I expect the cookies will be really good too. And I did think this is kind of a fun box because there's multiple different kinds of cookies in this box. So the next item is these Thin Slim Foods Cookitos. These are chocolate chip cookies. Again, there's the nutritional information. So these are crunchy cookies too. And then the last cookie item, let's see if I can find it, are these perfect keto cookies. These are also chocolate chip, but I can tell just by feeling the package that these are like softer cookies. And usually if it's made with almond flour and almonds, they tend to be a little bit more moist. So these are soft cookies, so you'll get a pack of these as well. This is a full-size box. I'm not sure how the Thin Slim Foods come. This might be considered a full size. A lot of times if you buy products like this on Amazon, you get like a 3-pack. So that's really like the best thing about Keto Krate is that you get to kind of try things before you buy them, because a lot of times to get these products, you have to buy like a case or a pack of like a multi-pack. So unless you live near like a health food store that carries a lot of this stuff. Okay, so the next item is this Simply Delish Natural Vanilla Flavored Instant Pudding. I have gotten pudding from Simply Delish before, but I've never made it. I still have it in my cabinet, but I'm sure it's really good. I just never get around to making it. So hopefully I'll get around to trying this one soon. There's some nutritional information on this guy. And again, I will have my blog post link below. So if you wanted more information, I do list like the net carbs, what sweeteners are in it, and then I have a little blurb after I try it. So I go back and I update the post, and I have past Keto Krate reviews on there too. So if you want to kind of see what you can expect every month, there's a whole ton of reviews on there you can check out. Okay, so the next product is Hungry Buddha Keto Bar in Lemon Blueberry. And that I have had, I believe it's like a chocolate chip bar from Hungry Buddha. That was really good. I tend to really like keto bars. I'm more of a chocolate peanut butter person than fruits, but I think this will probably still be pretty tasty, especially when I'm on the go with my kids, which, school and practices are all getting ready to start again. So these are really great grab and go snacks for that. Excited for this next one. It's called Just the Cheese, Crunchy Toasted Cheese and Grilled Cheese flavor. I am a person who likes when you brown the cheese a little bit when you're cooking it, that flavor. So I'm hoping it'll kind of have that taste to it. But it's basically, I believe, mostly just cheese in this. Yeah, mostly just cheese in it. So excited for this. This is completely new to me. I've never had anything from that brand before. High-Low Life Oh So Jalapeno Crispy Pepper Jack Cheese and Almond Snack Mix. I have had other snack mixes from High-Low Life, and I love them. I love when they combine the cheese and the nuts in different flavors. And I've had another brand that does this too, makes a lot of these mixes, and I love all those too. So usually you can't go wrong. If you like almonds or walnuts, some of them have walnuts and things like that, and different flavors like ranch, and this is jalapeno, and then cheese. So no doubt about it, probably gonna love that, as well as these buffalo walnuts from Crazy Go Nuts. I'm really excited about this because I'm a fan of anything buffalo flavored. As you can probably tell if you've been on my blog, there's a lot of buffalo chicken recipes. So excited to give these a try. And then the last two products are from Genius Gourmet. The first is these keto snack chips, which are in the flavor chili lime. I have had another pack of snack chips from them, but it was a different flavor. So I'm excited to try this flavor. This is one of my favorite flavors of regular chips. So that sounds really good. And then this keto shake and chocolate. I love the Atkins shakes, and I think it's, I don't remember what it's called, Perfect Protein or something like that. They make a low carb shake too. So I'm really excited for this. Anything chocolate you throw at me, I'm gonna be excited about. So again, that's everything that comes in the Keto Krate for August 2021. Keto Krate sells out every month. So if you want this particular box, order as soon as possible. Use my code, you'll get $10 off. The regular price is $39.99, but you can get it for $29.99. And the value of all these items, going by Keto Krate's prices that they have listed, is over $42. So the value of the snacks is actually a little bit more than the box itself without the code, and then about $10 more with the code, plus the shipping. So you don't pay shipping. Shipping is included with the price of the Keto Krate. So again, if you want to check out Keto Krate, I will leave the link below. I will leave my code below. And then if you want to see as I try things, like what I think about them, I will leave my blog post link below, and I will update that as I try things. So I hope you enjoyed this review. I hope you give Keto Krate a try if you've been on the fence about it. I definitely, I've been subscribing for over a year. I've been working with them for about that same amount of time, and I have always been really happy, and I'm always happy to have snacks in the house. So if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and a subscribe. I'm gonna try to do an unboxing video every month for Keto Krate, and then I hopefully maybe after the new year I'll maybe get into video a little bit more. I do want to get a second camera, and then maybe I'll have some recipe videos on here soon too. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you soon.